Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonam and firstly a very happy new year to all of you. It's not only the start of the month but also the start of a new year, new hope. So I wish all you guys lots of love and luck in 2018. In today's video we'll unbox and review the January 2018 Euphorbia box. So let's get started.
Please click the red subscribe button and the tiny little bell button right next to it so that you don't miss any of my videos.
This is how the package has reached me. This time also there is some kind of ribbon on the outer packaging itself. So this time also the box looks the same. It is a normal brown cardboard box with the name and logo of their box. And here are all the products. Actually this time they have used this green moss as the shock proofing material, but this is actually biodegradable and very environment friendly, even though it looks a bit messy to start with, but this is actually good for the environment. So I'm quite happy with this innovative initiative from Euphorbia box. Now let's go through the products one by one. So the first product that I see here is this Matte Look Lashes Push-Up Mascara. This is a waterproof mascara that claims to stay for 24 hours. It says jet black, long lasting and best quality. The cost of this product is $3.99 and used before is January 2020. Here are the ingredient lists mentioned as well, and there are some tips as well. Packaging is quite cute and girly. It is in pink and silver color mix. So this is how the mascara bristles look like. It is not tapered towards the end, but these are very fine bristles. So I believe these will actually make your lashes have a lot of volume and lengthen them as well. I had a similar kind of brush in one of the Essence mascaras and that was really good. So this seems like a good mascara from the wand, but I'll of course have to try it out to give my verdict. But definitely I'm happy to receive this. I have tried other products from this brand and they were quite good. So I'm looking forward to trying this one too. And then the next product here is from the brand Cape of Good Soap. I have used a serum from this brand and that was really good. This is a bath salt in the variant Ocean Breeze and this is in a beautiful sky blue color. And of course I always like the way bath salts look like. This has a net weight of 70 grams and these are the ingredients: combination of salts, Epsom salt, Ocean Breeze fragrance oil and edible color. I'm not getting a fragrance as of now, but this should be a good fragrance. I like aquatic fragrances, so definitely looking forward to using this. And then there is another product from the same brand, Cape of Good Soap. It is the Spice and Orange Anti-Chappe Lip Balm. Packaging is quite cute and colorful. It has net weight of 5 grams and price is 175 rupees. In the ingredients it has beeswax, coconut oil, olive oil, shea butter, orange essential oil and spice extracts. This is how the product looks like. It's a clear lip balm, not tinted, and it has a bit of unique fragrance. It does have a little bit of orange scent, but then there is a lot of mix of different scents. So quite unique scent. Some of you might like it a lot. An okay scent I would say for me. And then we have this Monsub Bio Gold Collagen Eye Mask. The gold series from Monsub is my favorite. I love the gold mask, the gold facial mask and these gold eye masks also. They really work well on my skin. The cost of this product is 200 rupees and here are some details about the ingredients, application, etc. Basically these are the claims of the product. It is hydrating, whitening, moisturizing, anti-wrinkle and pore minimizer, and it does prove true to its claims. I have noticed a visible difference after just one use. My face was very hydrated, moisturized and a bit brighter as well. I cannot comment on the anti-wrinkle part because I don't have much wrinkles as of now, but this definitely is a very good mask. And then the Euphorbia box is not complete without a piece of jewelry. So this time we have got this beautiful oxidized silver earring with red threads. I love this earring so much. It says red thread Afghani earrings worth 345 rupees. Very good quality, a bit heavy, not too heavy, but definitely these look so nice when you pair them with a good western outfit. You can wear them with ethnic outfits as well. I do have a similar earring in multicolor variant, but I love receiving a single color one. It is a statement piece with a bright pop of color and the quality and finishing of this product is quite good too, so I'm very happy to receive this as well. So these are all the products I received. There are a few leaflets like this. The first one here says Happy New Year, happy subscribing. Then we have a leaflet from the Cape of Good Soap. They have some offers written over here. If you buy 3 soaps, 4th is free. You can get 25% extra on bath salt orders and a surprise gift with every 2 serums. So this is kind of a discount voucher. We have got a Christmas decor as well. And finally, here is the info card. We read the price of the mascara as $3.99. The bath salt is for $2.99. We also know the eye mask is for $200 and the lip balm is for $175. The Afghan earrings also, the price was mentioned as $345. So these are the 5 full-sized products in January Euphorbia box worth a total of above 1400 rupees. But the box, as you know, is priced at just rupees 248 plus 12 for shipping. Definitely a big money saver, and I did like the products also. It's a good mix of everything. There is some makeup, there is some skincare, there is some body care, and there is a piece of jewelry. Also, the first 200 subscribers would get a BioBloom face wash additional to all of these products. So if you like this box, grab one for yourself soon. All details including the website link I mentioned in the description box below. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and show some love in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. So that's all for today. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye.